Hi everyone and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. My name is Paul and today I'm going to show you a tutorial all about the Follow Me tool, one of the most powerful tools in SketchUp. And this tool, it allows you to create complex shapes like pipes, moldings, handrails, decorative edges, custom profiles, all within a few clicks. And by the end of this video you'll know how to use the Follow Me tool confidently in your own models. So let's get to it. Now the Follow Me tool, it works by taking a shape called a profile and pushing it along a path. So think of it like this: you draw a shape, then you tell SketchUp to drag that shape along a line, and SketchUp creates a full 3D object automatically. For example, a circle moving along a line creates a pipe. A rectangle moving around an edge creates a molding. And once you understand this idea, profile plus path, the Follow Me tool becomes very simple to use. So let's start with a simple example. First you want to draw a line. Here's the line. This is going to act as our path. I'm drawing it parallel with the green axis. And then I take the select tool or spacebar to deselect. Now the next step is to draw a circle, and this is going to be our profile. So we take a circle, but I don't want it to be lying down, I want it to be standing up. So if I press the left arrow key, you see it jumps up. I need to find the end point. The profile, it's got to touch the path, otherwise if it doesn't, the Follow Me tool won't work correctly. So I need to click on this end point and then give the circle a radius, so I'll just click it out somewhere like this. And now if I take the select tool, which is this one up here, or spacebar as well, same tool, select the path and then go over to the Follow Me tool, which is here. When I click the Follow Me tool, I just need to click this surface, and once I do it, watch what happens. So SketchUp automatically pushes the circle along the line and creates a pipe. So that's the basic idea of the Follow Me tool. It's very simple but incredibly powerful. So let's make things a bit more interesting. If I delete this, and now we'll make the path two lines, an L shape. So I go along the green axis first and then along the red axis. Spacebar to deselect and take the select tool. Then we want to have a shape again. I think I'll use the circle again, which is here. And same thing again, I want it to stand up, so I'm going to click the left arrow on the keyboard. Same thing again, I need to hit this end point here. They need to touch each other, the profile and the path. Give the circle a radius like this. Take the select tool, which is spacebar, and select both these lines. Follow me like this. This method is very reliable and works especially well for complex shapes. And you see the SketchUp creates a pipe that follows the entire path, including the corners. Extremely useful. And one of the most common uses for the Follow Me tool is creating a molding or trim around a wall. So let's create a simple example of this. So I'll need to delete these. And then I'm going to create a little room. Just use a rectangle. Zoom out a little bit like this. So this is going to represent the floor, and give it a little thickness with the push-pull tool. I can take the offset tool just to offset some walls here, but I only want an L-shaped wall, so I'm going to use the line tool just to extend this here and to extend this one on this side like this, and then delete the two that are there. And now I'm going to take the push-pull tool again, click on this surface and pull it up a bit. So what we need to do now is draw a profile. I can do it at the bottom or the top. If we're going to do one at the bottom, I'm going to maybe use the line tool, come out a little bit, upwards, and just draw some kind of a profile like this. You can even use an arc or a curve here. It's A on the keyboard to create some something a bit more exciting. And then back to the line tool, which is L. Go up. Yeah, it's enough there. So here we got a profile, and if I want to send this all the way around the room, it's just to select this line, hold down Control and click on this line, and then we take Follow Me, which is on the left hand side here, zoom in and click on the profile, and there we got it. Sent it all the way around the room. So it even fixes the corners, the miter cut, absolutely perfect. So SketchUp automatically creates the moulding all the way around the shape, and this is one of the fastest ways to add details on your models. Now you could also use the same technique to create a picture frame. So if I draw a quick rectangle on the wall here, maybe use an offset like this, and then I can create the profile at the side again, similar kind of thing we just did. Yeah, got no real dimensions for this, you're just making it up as I go along. We'll just keep it simple this time, like this. So here we got the profile, and instead of just using the one line at the bottom, I can use the offset distance that we just did as the path. So if I select this offset distance, take the Follow Me tool, which is over on the left here, and just click the profile and create a quick picture frame all in one go. So very smart. It's a very smart set to work. Very quick. Just need to get the profile exactly how you want it. Go back. Yeah, like I said before, you can use arches or any kind of shapes here. It's no problem. So I could use this maybe like this. And then I'm just going to erase a few things here, like this, these lines, take them away. Maybe that's going to be a bit strange by itself there, we'll just, wait. So, and delete this one, and this one. So same procedure again, select the offset distance here. Take the Follow Me tool, click on the profile. That's a bit more like it. Curved picture frame. Very nice. And that, everybody, is the Follow Me tool. And once you understand that it's profile plus the path, you can create complex shapes in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the next video we'll continue building your SketchUp skills step by step. So thanks for watching, see you next time.